If we set aside various conspiracy theories, since everyone has to form their own opinion on those, all we're left with is our imagination. Whether it's our own or that of filmmakers, writers, and sci-fi enthusiasts, one thing is certain: humanity continues to long for an answer to the ultimate question: are we alone in the universe? We won't give you the answer to that question, but you should definitely check out today's topic: life on other planets. What could it look like? For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, pondering a profound question: are we alone? The sheer vastness of the cosmos suggests otherwise, yet definitive proof remains elusive. But if life does exist beyond Earth, what forms might it take? Our understanding of life is inherently shaped by our own planet. We know life here thrives on carbon, water, and a stable energy source. This Earth-centric view, however, might be too narrow when considering the universe's boundless diversity. Imagine worlds vastly different from our own, with unique chemical compositions and energy gradients. Life on such planets would likely evolve in ways we can barely conceive. The fundamental building blocks might not even be carbon. Silicon, for instance, shares some chemical properties with carbon, forming complex chains. While silicon-based life faces challenges like stability and solubility, it remains a theoretical possibility in environments unlike Earth's. Water is crucial for life as we know it, acting as an excellent solvent. But on colder worlds, other liquids like ammonia, methane, or ethane could serve a similar purpose. These alternative solvents would profoundly alter biochemistry. Energy sources also vary widely across the cosmos. While photosynthesis harnesses starlight on Earth, alien life might tap into geothermal vents, chemical reactions, or even tidal forces from massive gas giants. Life adapts to its available energy. On Earth, we find incredible organisms called extremophiles. These creatures thrive in conditions once thought impossible for life, from boiling hot springs to frozen polar ice. They survive in highly acidic or alkaline environments. Some extremophiles endure intense radiation or crushing pressures deep within the ocean. Their existence expands our imagination for life's resilience. They demonstrate that life can adapt to truly harsh and alien conditions. These terrestrial examples suggest that life could flourish on planets with extreme temperatures, pressures, or atmospheric compositions. They challenge our preconceived notions of what constitutes a habitable zone. The physical appearance of alien life would be dictated by its environment. On a high-gravity world, creatures might be squat and dense, with strong skeletal structures to support their weight. Low gravity could foster tall, slender forms. Atmospheric density would influence respiratory systems. Thick atmospheres might lead to creatures with large, efficient lungs or even filter-feeding mechanisms. Thin atmospheres could necessitate specialized gas exchange organs. Light conditions would shape sensory organs. On planets orbiting red dwarfs, life might evolve to see in infrared. Worlds bathed in ultraviolet light could develop protective pigments or UV-sensitive vision. In perpetually dark environments like subsurface oceans or gas giant moons, life might rely on bioluminescence for communication or hunting. Echolocation, like bats use, could also be a primary sensory input. How would alien organisms acquire energy and nutrients? Beyond photosynthesis, chemosynthesis is a powerful alternative, as seen in Earth's deep-sea vents. Life could derive energy from chemical reactions in its surroundings. Some organisms might directly absorb energy from planetary magnetic fields or geothermal heat. Others could develop unique ways to process minerals or atmospheric gases, creating entirely new metabolic pathways. The concept of a food chain might also be radically different. Instead of predators and prey, perhaps some life forms exchange energy through symbiotic relationships or directly consume geological resources. The possibilities for extraterrestrial life are truly mind-boggling. From microscopic organisms thriving in subsurface oceans to complex, intelligent beings, the universe holds countless secrets. Our search for life beyond Earth is a quest for understanding. Every new exoplanet discovery brings us closer to answering the ultimate question. As our technology advances, so does our ability to detect biosignatures and analyze distant planetary atmospheres. The future of astrobiology is incredibly exciting. While we may never encounter life that looks exactly like us, the universe is surely teeming with wonders. The diversity of life on Earth is just a tiny glimpse of what might exist out there, waiting to be discovered. If we set aside various conspiracy theories, since everyone has to form their own opinion on those, all we're left with is our imagination. Whether it's our own or that of filmmakers, writers, and sci-fi enthusiasts, one thing is certain: humanity continues to long for an answer to the ultimate question. Are we alone in the universe? Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.